Here are my top 10 hidden gems of this week. These are things that are blowing up my DMs with link requests, things that you all love. And there are several items here that I have never shared on YouTube. Several of these items were impulse buys, and thank goodness that I impulse bought because they've been, well, amazing. Everything is linked below and pinned in that comments section. You can also scan the QR code on screen and it will take you to everything, including this week and last week. This lip gloss, absolutely amazing. It has a nice minty smell when you open it up. I've been using this for, I don't know, I want to say several months, and I do have a lot of lip care. If you've been here hot minute, you know I'm obsessed with lip care, but I've been coming back to this one because it's super moisturizing. It's very thick, viscous, I think that's the best way to describe it. Nice minty smell. I love using this at night, but I also love using it during the day if I want a high gloss shine that's going to stay a little bit longer. Maybe I don't want a color on my lips. This does give it a slight hue, but this is awesome. It fits in your purse. I had it in a purse for quite some time, and I had forgotten about it because I left it in the purse. Thumbs up if you've ever done that before. And then when I found it, I was like, where have you been my entire life? Moisturizing, good shine, and I also think it plumps your lips a little bit. At least it gives the appearance. This under eye concealer. This is the second time that I purchased this, and I'm like, I have got to share this because it is like pretty much all gone. I've been using this on an everyday basis. It's so creamy. It goes on so nice. This entire line, I think it's called Ilia, I'm not sure. They sell it in Sephora, but they also sell it on Amazon, which is really nice. Yes, it says True Skin Serum Concealer, and it does just feel like your skin. Of course, it comes in a lot of different colors. I'm going to be purchasing this yet a third time. This brand also carries a foundation with sunscreen in it, which I absolutely love. Their entire line is really good. I bought lip care before, lip liners before, but if you're looking for a good high-end under-eye concealer that really works, this is it. The Diamond Cocoon Eye. I wish I would have purchased the larger version. However, that's what I'm going to do next. Someone on Instagram with millions of followers had recommended this, and I'm like, I got to bring it to you this week because this is almost gone, and I use it every single day. It hydrates your eyes. It makes you look more alert and awake than you may actually feel. Worth every single penny. A little goes a long way. Refreshed, alive, youthful, younger. Yes, please. This mouthwash kit, everything came separately, but I will link everything here for you. I've tried a lot of mouthwash dispensers over the past several months, and there's either an issue with the pump. When you pump it out, it like sprays everywhere, and this one, hands down, has been amazing. So I have this in several bathrooms now. It's super easy to refill. It's super easy to pour. It's super chic, by the way. My kids can easily use this. There's no mistaking what is in the contents in this when it's next to your bathroom, next to cups. And I buy all my paper cups on Amazon because you can get a lot for basically pennies. And then this little holder here, it's just like an acrylic. I've done a lot of research when it comes to these sort of setups, and I wanted things that were sold separately so that I could clean them easier. When it's all one unit, I tend to find that, I don't know, it's just harder to clean, harder to maintain. If you don't like a piece of the component or something breaks off, like you have to get rid of the whole thing. And then I also wanted to try out this tray. It's like a faux marble tray. It does have feet at the bottom of it, felt feet, so it's not going to scratch your surfaces up. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful tray. You could use it for jewelry. You could use it in the mudroom and entry room, but I'm choosing to use it here in my bathroom to contain the mouthwash and the very functional and practical mouthwash cups. Mouthwash necessity, not only for my mouth, it gets in between your teeth and kills all that bacteria, but for my kids as well. These slippers, now I have like maybe 5 pairs of slippers because they're so good. This is like a bestseller or something. I think I had shared it during a gifts video, but I've been wearing these on repeat. I've also been getting a lot of requests about these slippers because they're just so fuzzy, cozy. They have a nice kind of like a memory foam, I would say, footbed here. So it really feels like clouds on your feet. They go with every outfit. I just want to cozy up. Although I'm also very protective in these as I walk around and film throughout the day in my home. So work and play and lounge, I guess that's 3. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner. This would be a really great gift idea, as well as something else here at the end of the video and at unbeatable price points. These camisoles, I don't know how long, like I've had these maybe for 2 years. They're so good. I'm like, why have I never shared these on this channel? I wear them every single day, pretty much under sweaters. I wear them in the summer. They have a built-in bra or different cups as well, so you can take those out if you wanted to. I have 4 different colors here. They're adjustable straps, which I really like. It also goes down long enough so so that you can tuck them in. They're just perfect. They're stretchy, they're lightweight, they're comfortable. They also wash up really nicely. I mean, I wear these every day and I've had them for a couple years, I want to say. So stinking good. I've also worn them alone, standalone pieces because, well, in the summertime, it just makes the most sense. You don't have to wear a bra and a tank top. It's like all up in here and very, very soft, great quality. This Medix lotion, I shared this in a recent video and it's almost halfway gone because it's that good. It has a nice smell to it. This is a very highly rated lotion, age rewind, body cream, especially in the winter months when things tend to get drier. And the packaging is just so beautiful. So leaving this out in your bathroom or your kitchen or your entryway, wherever you tend to get lotion or need lotion in your office. So thankful that I got this and I'm still loving this. This might seem like a strange one, but it solves a lot of problems and it's really cute. This automatic trash can continues to be a best seller and it's been quite some time since I've shared this, maybe 3 years. I don't know, I'm still using it. I'm still loving it. The battery life lasts so long. It's easy to clean. I mean, and then 3 blinks and it shuts automatically on its own. You could use this in a bathroom. I use this in my office. You could use this in a craft room. It looks so pretty. I love the gold detail. I love the white on it. I love that it's automatic. So if this is in a bathroom, it's just more hygienic, if you will. So if you're in the market for a good automatic trash can, this is it. This has been blowing up my link requests across Facebook, my newsletter, Instagram. It's this jewelry box. This is so convenient. It's a beautiful display piece as well. You can put a lot in here, not just necklaces or earrings or rings or bracelets. Well, I was gonna say not just earrings, but you can put all of those things in there. The lid pops off and then there's individual packages here for all of your jewelry. Now, if you were traveling, you certainly could probably put this in your suitcase if you wanted to, or just take a few out that you want to travel with in these clear plastic bags and then pack them away wherever you know that they're going to be safe and you can easily find them. But you can fit a lot in here. This is a great buy. I keep this in my closet, so it's a little beauty piece in my closet, but it's also super functional. Oh, which reminds me, I forgot I bought these earrings. Oh, what else do I have in here? Ooh, look at these pretty ones. I haven't busted these out in quite some time. Look, it's like I'm going through my closet all over again, looking at all these beautiful things. But anyway, this is great. This would also be a really great gift idea at a reasonable price point. So good. Tiny, but mighty. And last but not least, this fuzzy blanket. Now I have purchased, I don't know, 10 of these. Just kidding. I got orange ones around the fall time. I got green ones around Christmas, and now I have red for Valentine's Day. They're soft. They come in every color. I'm already thinking like, what color should I get for the spring? Like what would be nice? It's just, I love throw blankets. We keep them in our living room on the back of our couch. We have them stored in our living room in different ottomans. We keep them on the ends of beds. We just like a nice throw blanket to throw over. You can never have too many of these, in my opinion. And this is so soft. They wash up really nicely. Great quality considering the price point. Just coziness at your fingertips. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do at Andrea Jean Co., especially Instagram stories, because I share everyday daily deals, behind the scenes, and so much more. Let me know your favorite hidden gem in that comments box below, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.